Hi everyone, welcome back to Edumacate You, where I answer similar questions to the ones you send through. So today we'll be focusing on a similar question from Methods 2024 WACE exam, where we look at what the speed of this ball would be if the angle is equal to 45 degrees. Now we have to note that we can't simply go theta is equal to 45 degrees because our angle here is in radians. So first we need to convert that into radians. So either you can remember that 45 degrees is equal to the pi over 4, or we know that pi is the same as 180 degrees. So if we want to make this 45 degrees, we simply have to divide this side by 4, which is the same as dividing this side by 4. So we get the pi over 4. So now what we're trying to do is, instead of writing theta, we're going to substitute in pi over 4. So we should get 100 over sine pi over 4 minus cos pi over 4 all over sine pi over 4. Now, to evaluate this without a calculator, what I like to remember is my little triangle. It is a right angle isosceles triangle. Because it's a right angle isosceles triangle with 1 as the equal sides, remember that these two angles have to be the same. And if we go 180 is the angles of a triangle, then these two have to be 45, so that they all add up to 180 degrees, right? Then we also know with Pythagoras theorem that this should be 1 squared at 1 squared, which would equal to root 2. So now we're basically going to substitute this in. So first we'll have 100, and sine pi over 4 in this case is our, if we choose this angle, it should be our opposite over our hypotenuse. So it would be 1 over root 2 minus cos of this angle, which will be your adjacent over your hypotenuse. So again, 1 over root 2. And then all over 1 over root 2 again. So what we can do here, we can see that 1 over root 2 is a common factor in this top one. So we can take 1 over root 2 aside, and we know what do we times 1 over root 2 by to get 100 times 1 over root 2? It's 100, right? And then what do we times 1 over root 2 to get 1 over root 2? It's going to be 1, right? All over 1 over root 2. And now, because we have a common factor on the top and the bottom, we can cancel them out. So we're basically left with the root of 99, and that is the speed basically in meters per second. We can evaluate this or leave it because it's not a calculator, and that's how you solve this question.